In this video, we'll show you how to change the hairstyle on the models we've created. First, we'll generate the model's face, and then we'll change the hair. After uploading our photo, we select the Magic Expand mode. Once the photo appears in the expand area, we click the eraser button to remove any parts we don't want. In this example, we're erasing the hand that isn't fully visible. Once the erasing is done, we click the Done button to proceed. To help the AI generate a proper face, we enlarge the photo and leave enough space for the face to fit in. As you can see, we positioned the image in a way that keeps the necklace visible, while also leaving enough room for the model's face. Next, in the Enter Prompt section, we write a detailed prompt describing our model. We also include camera instructions like close-up shot and low angle. Then we click the Generate Modify button. And here's our first result. This initial result is just a draft. We need to make some refinements on it. To do that, we click the Keep Editing button. To fix the difference in skin tone, we use the brush tool to mark the neck and shoulder area, making sure to leave a bit of space around the necklace to avoid altering it. This tells the AI which parts to regenerate based on our new instructions. We paste the same prompt again, and this time we add an additional direction for skin blending. Smooth blending between neck and face. We click Apply. As you can see, the result now shows a smooth and natural skin transition. Now let's move on to our second hairstyle. This time, we're only brushing over the hair area. We're using the same prompt again, but we're changing the part that describes the hair. The reason we're using the same prompt is to make sure the brushed areas, especially the parts that touch the face, remain consistent in the final result. We click Apply. And here it is, our brand new hairstyle. In this example, we'll create a straight ponytail hairstyle. We brush over the entire hair area. Then, we paste our original prompt and simply change the part about the hairstyle. We click Apply. In this example, we'll show you how to turn a tied-up hairstyle into loose hair. If we only brush the existing hair, like we did in previous examples, even if we write a prompt for long, loose hair, we won't get the result we want. That's because we haven't given the AI enough space for the new hairstyle. So, what should we do? Just like we brush all of the visible hair in the photo, we also brush the area that the new hairstyle is expected to cover, approximately. We entered our detailed prompt again, this time describing long, straight red hair, and clicked Apply. As you can see, the AI was able to generate the look we wanted. We're continuing with the same output, and this time we'll show you how to create a short bob-style haircut. On the left side of the model, we brush the area needed for the bob style. On the right side, we also need to brush over the visible ponytail. If we skip that part, the AI will still interpret the existing ponytail and generate a longer hairstyle, meaning that hair would remain in the final image. Since the AI interprets the image as a whole, the area we brush should match the part we want to change. By giving clear instructions through the prompt, we help the AI understand and modify that area correctly. We also brushed part of the model's face so that the hair can appear in the front. We're using the same prompt we used when generating the model, but we're changing the part that describes the hair. Using the same prompt ensures that the model's face stays the same. Within a single project, we can create multiple versions of the photo using Expand. To do that, we go to the final step and click the Regenerate Expand button. Once we click it, the Magic Expand page opens again. Here, you can either erase the original photo in a different way using the eraser tool, or reposition the version you previously edited. In our case, we positioned the photo this way so that more of the model's face would be visible. We also added the model's physical features into the prompt and clicked the Regenerate Photo button. The results from Expand are just drafts. So to continue editing, we click the Keep Editing button. In the new version, the model's jawline isn't well defined. To fix that and improve skin blending, we carefully brush the area, avoiding the necklace. Then we add the phrase, Skin Harmony with Soft Transition, to our prompt and click Apply. Since this video focuses on hairstyle changes, we're skipping the outfit transformation. Once you're done with all edits, you can click the Download Image button to save your final result. Thanks for watching.